Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class of GK. How are you all? I hope you all are fine there. Student, this is your second class. Your first class is over. In second class, today I will give you page number 11, 12 and 13. Previous class I have given you 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, come on page number 11. Here's your GK book and here is your page number 11. Your 11 page number, your lesson name is Health and Food. Health and Food. In this chapter, it is all about the minerals and food and some disease. Listen the clues and try to fill the missing letter. Your first clue is, students, if you are not able to see the video, you listen carefully. Your first question is, a diet which contain carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, salts and fibers in the correct proportion, that is called balanced diet. I have written all the answers that I will give you. First you listen explanation carefully. Now second, the deficiency of this vitamin causes rickets, a disease affecting bone. The vitamin can be found in milk, fish meat, butter, eggs and sunrays. The answer is vitamin D. Now third, the disease is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. The disease name is goiter. Fourth, the best source of this vitamin are orange, lemon, citrus fruit, cabbages, etc. And the answer is vitamin C. Fifth question, a person suffering from this disease become pale. It is caused due to the deficiency of iron. The level of hemoglobin is in the blood becomes low. And the answer is anemia. Sixth, this vegetable contain a chemical called carotene which gives it an orange color. It is very good for our eyes. Carrot. Seventh, this is a mineral that we basically get from milk. Milk products and green leafy vegetable will help in the formation of bone and teeth. The answer is calcium. And the eighth is, they are called body building nutrients because they help us to grow. Eggs, fish, meat, peas, pulses are example of food rich in this nutrient. The answer is protein. So students, I hope you all get the balanced diet, vitamin D, goiter. It is a iodine deficiency disease. Goiter. Anemia, fifth question, anemia when hemoglobin level is down in our body, that become low, we suffer from the disease that is called anemia. Nothing more to explain you here. And on page number 11 answers are here. You can write down with this picture all the answers 1 to 8 here. In this way you have to fill, means all the letters should be capital. Now come on page number 12. Here your 12th chapter is friendly creepers. It is about the insects, useful insects. There is a huge population of insects in the world. Not all of them are harmful. So read about these friendly insects and name them using the clue box. Friendly means those are not harmful. Those are helpful for us. They are called friendly creepers. Your first clue is, they eat pollen and fly from plant to plant. Collecting them, they help the plant to reproduce, so they keep plants alive. And the answer is bees. Student, you can see here is a clue box. You can write here also numbers. First is bees. Now next. First is bees. Next clue, they look like the helicopter. They eat mosquitoes that carry the malaria virus. The answer is dragonfly. Here is the dragonfly. You can write number 2. Now third, They eat animal waste, so farmer depends on them to clean up the animal waste in the field. So the answer of third is here dung beetle. Here in third is dung beetle. Now fourth, they look very much like bees. They also eat harmful pests like the leaf hopper. The fourth answer is hoverfly. Hoverfly. Now fifth, the little ones of these insects eat only meat. They are always hungry. Farmers dump a bucket of these insects' eggs into the field. They hatch and eat every pet in sight. The answer of fifth is lacewings. Lacewing. Here. Now sixth, they are helpful and beautiful. They eat pets and are seen as symbol of good luck. The answer is ladybug. Sixth. And the seventh, this beetle eats slugs, snake, worms, cabbage, maggots that live in the garden soil. And the answer is ground beetle. Here is the seventh answer at the last. And the last question, its name sound like on duty. Its feed on aphids and caterpillar. So the eighth is soldier beetle. 8. Students, this is the numbering on helping box 3, 6, 5, 1, 2, 8, 4, 7. If you are unable to write this number because not clear vision, you can see here. Here all the answer I have written. In this way you have to fill all the answer in your GK book. Use pencil. Please use pencil to write all these answers in your book. 1 to 8. Now, page number 13. 11 to 13 I told you to give. The 13 page number is about road watch, road sign. First line, see here, every road user should be familiar with the traffic and road sign of his country. So the first is pedestrian cross. You have to choose the correct option in this. 2 options, you have to choose any one. So the pedestrian cross is A. Second, these are the instructions. Students, these are the instructions. Here are road sign. Here are road signs. You have to tick the road sign. And the second is two-way traffic. Two-way traffic, the symbol of two-way traffic is A. Second one is, here I had done this one, second A. Now next, third, U-turn prohibited. U-turn prohibited A. Fourth, guarded level crossing B. Fifth, speed breaker ahead B. Stop A. Speed limit B. Eighth, no entry A. Crossroad sign is B. And the narrow road ahead is A. So here is all the answers you have to take. And students, please write down one question on this paper. On the top of the paper, one question is, I am dictating. Please write one question. It may come in your exam in this way. Draw any 10 road signs and write their name, means instructions name. You can get these road signs, and you have to these road signs, these, and you all have to write the name of these instruction. Otherwise you will not get any road sign. You all have to draw yourself, and you have to write yourself 10 road sign and 10 instructions name related to that road sign. Suppose your first road sign is here, pedestrian cross. Here you will draw this like this, and you have to write the instruction below the picture is pedestrian cross. I hope you all get. the answer of your question. So it is sufficient for today. Today page number 11, 12 and 13 I have given you. Here's the 12th chapter. On next turn I will give you a little test, you all, that is related to page number 7, 8, 9, 10. And today's homework is, in your copy, homework copy, you have to draw these 10 road sign and write their instructions name below the picture. Okay, this is your homework for today. Mention the date 2 May 5, 2020 and draw these 10 road sign. Only those are tick. These road sign you have to draw. Okay, I have tick that. These road sign you have to draw and their instructions name. This is your homework. It is sufficient for today. Thank you friends. Have a nice day. We will meet you in next class with next page number, that is 14, 15. Okay.